Ciao! Welcome to Viet Language channel, and today I will be talking about the history and origin of the Vietnamese alphabet. You might be wondering why Vietnam used the Latin-based alphabet, which is very different from the writing systems used in other Asian countries like Thailand, China, Japan, Korea. Okay, let's go back into history and find out. For many centuries before the exposure to the Western cultures, the Vietnamese had been borrowing Chinese characters and formally modified these characters to write our language. Then, in the 16th centuries, there were Portuguese and Italian missionaries arrived in Vietnam. They began to use Latin script to transcribe Vietnamese to help them learn the language. These led to the development of the Vietnamese alphabet, started by the Portuguese missionary Francisco de Pina. His work was then continued by Alexandre de Rhodes, who standardized this writing system and then published the first Vietnamese, Portuguese, and Latin dictionary in Rome in the 17th century. However, this writing system was not used extensively by the Vietnamese until 2 centuries later, during the French colonization of Vietnam. In the 20th century, the French enforced this Latin-based alphabet in Vietnam, taught it to the general population to make it easier for them to manage the colony and to get rid of the remnants of the old Chinese domination. This Latin-based writing system is called Chữ Quốc ngữ, which means National Language Script. It later became the official writing system of Vietnam as we know today. The good thing about the romanization of the Vietnamese writing system is that it's increased the literacy rate among the general population. Even until today, I'm still very grateful that we use the Latin-based alphabet because it makes it faster for us to learn how to read and write, and it just makes things a lot easier for both the native and the Vietnamese language learner. Okay guys, I hope this gives you a better insight into the origin of the Vietnamese alphabet. If you find this video interesting, then please like and subscribe to Viet Language channel. Come on!